Friends, I'm happy to share an update with you on Solitaire, our PMS product. Everything that I have done in the advisory space has started gently, we stabilize things, and then try to reach our work to more people. Solitaire is no different. We started small late last year, probably not the best time to start, but we were clear that we would be gradual, focused, and disciplined. We had an investment philosophy which we stuck to. We did invest gradually, but the markets had a mind of their own. So our performance did go through its ups and downs. Our focus was to primarily ensure that we stuck to a conviction, we maintained discipline, we encouraged clients to invest incremental money when the markets were down, and followed a true to philosophy investment approach. In this video, I'm going to tell you what went right, what went wrong, what to expect, and the road ahead. So, what did we do right? Firstly, we decided not to invest in very small companies. We chose not to invest in companies which had very high leverage, which means that we kept away from lending businesses. We decided to buy consumption very selectively. We also sold out of one or two consumption companies when they exceeded our expectations in price performance. And we did buy a few businesses which weathered this phase reasonably well. In doing all this, we were true to what we promised. So, though the markets went through one of the most volatile phases, we managed to hold ourselves well, and the portfolio managed to stabilize itself reasonably, and it held on reasonably well. What did we do wrong? One thing which I think we got wrong was that we invested in a space which is bearing the brunt of COVID, and that is hospitality and tourism. We had a reasonable exposure to this space, and that naturally had a very stunning impact on the portfolio. The sting was strong, but we believe that this space is going to more than compensate in the coming years, and we will see a resurgence in this space which will translate into good returns. Importantly, weak players are getting taken out, and therefore the companies that we have invested in will do better. How do we see the present and the future? In Solitaire, our approach is to gradually build positions, to buy only leaders in a space, and to have a very open and flexible approach to building positions. In doing that, we believe that we will be able to respond to volatility much better, because the kind of volatility we are facing in the present are not really predictable. So, however much we prepare for volatility, it's going to surprise us. So, it's important that we're able to respond in a much better way to the emerging volatility than we did in the past. For that, we need to be prepared. One thing I do see is that businesses are going to raise a lot of capital in this quarter and the next one. This will naturally absorb all the incremental flows into the market, and therefore at some point the flows are not going to be enough to feed the demand for capital. At that point, we will again see the markets take a breather. Therefore, we believe that we should have a flexible approach in this period. We should remain liquid, have money to invest whenever we spot a great opportunity. And that opportunity should also be gradually built into a long-term investment position. We can't really buy the position in a short burst of time unless the valuation is compelling and the investment thesis is very clear. What is my perspective on the opportunity? We did see some very interesting opportunities in the past month, but I believe that we need far more clarity on where the economy is going, and only then we should zero in on what we want to own for the next 2-3 years. I don't see investment performance coming back very swiftly. Whatever we are seeing today is more in the nature of a comeback rally. But even the compounders are going to take a long time to regain their pre-COVID position, which means that the markets at some point will lose patience, even with the compounders. Therefore, opportunities will get better in the next 2 years. Any adverse near-term economic event will make opportunities more attractive and we would be able to buy into them. So, the next 2 years will be a very, very interesting phase for investing. We will see more volatility like we saw in the last 2 months, but that may be in specific parts of the market and not secular. But whatever be the nature of volatility, we should be open to buying businesses which will do well in the next 4 to 5 years. In my perspective, newer themes will emerge. I mentioned hospitality and tourism as one. We could see other themes based on manufacturing excellence, which will also come to the front. Past leaders may take a pause. New leaders may emerge. The nature of the leadership ladder, the composition and the structure will change. This is very normal in the market and we will see that play out. We hope that in the next 2 years, we capture a good part of that leadership in your portfolio, in our portfolio. The idea behind Solitaire was that I will also find a place where I can invest my money, and I'm happy to tell you that I have made reasonable investments in the last 6 months and I intend to continue to make regular investments into Solitaire, which means that when I sell my personal holdings outside of the PMS, I plan to put that money into the PMS and gradually make the PMS my core holding. So in that sense, it makes my work easier and I enjoy doing it, and I have a team to back my investing, and I do what is good for me for every one of you. So those of you who are looking to scale up your Solitaire portfolio can take confidence that I am playing the same game alongside you and my skin is very much in that game. And those of you who are considering Solitaire for your investment portfolios can take assurance from the fact that we are all doing this together in good businesses in a difficult environment so that we all profit and make good returns when the economy comes back to great shape. So that is basically where this journey began, how it has progressed and where it stands today and what to expect in the future. How can we do it differently together? I believe that the ability to take good contrarian calls, to be prepared to buy businesses when they become very attractive, and to believe in a certain investment philosophy collectively will make us do our investing very differently in the coming years. Just that belief and the discipline to do it in a certain way will help us find opportunities at the right time, take advantage of them without delays, and make our portfolios very different from what others have. It is not difficult to have unique portfolios, but it is important that we all share the same belief in creating those portfolios. For example, if everybody has some liquidity in the portfolio at any point in time, that will ensure that all the ideas get reflected in every single portfolio. Whereas if some people don't believe in the investment philosophy and in the approach at some point in time based on the near term returns, they end up not buying the best opportunities. I hope that that situation doesn't arise, and I would consistently work with you to ensure that we create a collective belief in solitaire which reflects in the way we allocate more capital in a difficult economy when valuations become more attractive and opportunities come towards us and they become incrementally very lucrative. That would be my effort, and I am going to be with you in this journey with all the skin in the game. And I hope that we create a great example of a PMS in solitaire. And I seek every one of you's good wishes, blessings, and participation in solitaire. Thank you very much.